Hello, my name is Kalimansi Sinyangwe, Technical Program Manager for Community Engagement and Sponsorship Plan and World Vision. The Community Engagement and Sponsorship Plan has three segments, namely sponsorship, community engagement, and faith and development. Under sponsorship, World Vision identifies the most vulnerable children and registers them in World Vision program as ambassadors or representatives of other children, their families, or communities where they live in. Now, those children are later registered and subsequently connected to sponsors. Now, when those sponsors provide support, that support is not meant for the individual children that are sponsored, but the resources are pooled, and World Vision, using an integrated approach, which is holistic in nature, then undertakes an array of interventions in areas of health, education, livelihood, WASH, child protection, and CCSP itself to promote child well-being. So the interventions that are undertaken, as I indicated earlier, do not go to the individual children, but provide benefits to all other children, whether sponsored or registered or just children in general. Then under the community engagement piece, World Vision seeks to build capacity of communities for them to be able to provide leadership, or in short, just to take charge of the development processes, right from identification of problems, designing of interventions to address those problems, through to implementation, monitoring, and evaluation of development interventions in order to gauge impact that is made through the interventions that will have been undertaken. At the same time, World Vision strives to enhance the voice of the community. In this respect, World Vision tries to promote advocacy not in a radical manner, but in a manner that embraces dialogue. So in this respect, World Vision promotes advocacy through the citizens' voice and action model. In this case, World Vision builds capacity of communities in policies and standards that relate to service provision. And once that is done, then communities are able to meaningfully engage with the service providers. And this is done through a process of monitoring standards. When standards are monitored, where there are gaps, then the communities use those pieces of information to have interface with the service providers and the duty bearers. During the interface meetings, courses of action to try and address issues raised are then charted so that the service provision is improved. Finally, the faith and development component. Under that, World Vision desires to see communities where children have peaceful and positive relations with God, with their parents or guardians, with faith leaders, and with their peers. And so to get to that level, World Vision works in partnership with churches, schools, local communities to ensure that within those structures or institutions, there is a functional and effective child ministry. And alongside that, World Vision also works with parents directly, just to ensure that they are empowered with positive parenting skills so that children can thrive. Thank you.